Now, one of the biggest challenges to making the transition from 2D into a 3D building information modeling environment is your previous work, the legacy work that you've already completed and you have in the libraries and your filing system, and you keep that for long periods of time. Now, when you go to the 3D system, sometimes you might pick a system that does not actually read older 2D work. And so when selecting a building information modeling system, you do have to keep in mind, what are you going to do with your legacy work? As an example, if I had a plan, if I zoom out here, and I have just a simple plan that I'm working with that's in lines, and typically if a user called up and they wanted, not a user, a client, say they wanted to make an edit to the plan. Oh, they want to buy this plan, but they'd like this corner to not be chamfered like it is. They want it to be straight corner. And so if you worked with a modeling system that only did modeling, you wouldn't be able to actually edit this. You might keep around your older system, but you don't know if operating systems change, a computer crashes, you have support to it, support of that software. So when making that transition, keep that in mind of what are you going to do with a building information modeling system when it comes to your legacy work. So if I wanted to, say, correct this, if I was just working in a system that had 2D work, I can delete lines, I can move this existing line work if it was done in AutoCAD, modify some of these dimensions here, delete that one, move that, chamfer these edges to actually achieve edits that is on these existing plans. You don't want to totally redraw, spend hours and hours and hours and hours redrawing an entire plan just to clean up a little corner. You need to keep in mind that you still will have legacy plans. You'll still need to edit those plans if a change needs to arise. And selecting a building information modeling system that can handle older legacy work is very important when choosing.